MPVs seem to be the flavor du jour, and in a short period of time, you've come up with plenty of options. Maruti has the Ertiga, Nissan has the Evalia, and now Ashok Leyland enters the passenger car market with the Style. Here's Kailash Menon with more.
Now, Ashok Leyland is a pretty popular name in the commercial vehicle segment. I mean, they've made buses, they've made trucks and tactical vehicles like the rough and ready Stallion for the Indian Army. But now, they're throwing their hat into the passenger car market space with this, the all-new Ashok Leyland Style. Born out of a wedlock between Nissan and Ashok Leyland's joint venture, the Style essentially is a rebadged Evalia. The only difference, it's a little bland and basic. Now the design, much like the Evalia, it is pretty bread box on wheel sorts. It's got a lot of lines and cuts and squares. And if you ask me, the design changes, well, it's all up on the front face. To be precise, the grille and the headlamps. And thankfully, the Style gets sliding windows for the second row of seats, just in case if you feel sick in a journey or something. And also, 15-inch alloy wheels. Powering the Style is also the same motor as the Evalia. So what gets it going is a 1.5 K9K diesel engine that puts out 75 bhp and 185 Newton meters of torque. Now, though they employ the same engine as the Nissan Evalia, the power output is a good 10 bhp less, and they have sacrificed power for fuel efficiency, which they're claiming to be somewhere between 19 to 20 kilometers to a liter of fuel, which, if you ask me, is pretty decent. Another thing that I like about this car is it's got tall gear ratio, so you don't have to constantly shuffle gears while you're in traffic. And once you cross 45 kilometers, you can slot this car into the fifth gear, and this car doesn't shudder or throw a tantrum. There's enough torque to trundle around town, and even on the highway, it doesn't feel strained. The Style, however, is not at all silent on the move. The diesel drone makes its presence felt. The handling is predictable, and the ride, well, it's just a bit jumpy. Now, it handles pretty well for a tall car. The ride, well, it does get a bit jumpy, all thanks to the rear leaf spring suspensions that kick about a bit. Ergonomics are pretty good. You sit pretty high up. You got large glass surfaces, so the visibility is also very good. Your hand meets the gear lever in a fine fashion, and it's pretty maneuverable around town. I mean, with stats like a turning radius of 5.2 meters. Now, that's better than a lot of hatchbacks out there. Interiors are a bit too Spartan, all grey and not many storage and cubbies. The layout is also a bit ancient. Now, the Style gets a sliding door, and it's got a low floor. That means getting in and out is not a problem at all. And once inside, you have ample headroom, decent knee room and shoulder room, and you get rear AC vents for the rear passenger. And just in case if you notice, the floor is absolutely flat. There is no transmission tunnel in here. So if you're ordering a bench seat version, 3 people can sit side to side. And as far as space goes, it is pretty spacious. But the biggest gripe is the scanty safety systems. You get no airbags, no ABS, and the sad part, these aren't even optional. Style sticker price starts at 7.49 lakhs for the base model, and the top-end Style will set you back by 9,29,000 rupees, which, by the way, is a good 1 lakh cheaper than its costlier cousin, the Nissan Evalia. So, should you buy one? Though it's competing with the likes of the Maruti Ertiga, the Chevrolet Enjoy and the Mahindra Bolero, I have to say I see this car being bought by tours and travel guys, the typical taxi tribe, you know. But having said that, if you're on a bit of a budget and you need an MPV with tons of space and a decent engine under the bonnet, the Style would not disappoint you. The only glitch, it's short-staffed in the safety department. So if you can look past the fact that it's not very well kitted out as far as safety goes, the Style is a no-nonsense MPV.
And that was our show for this week. We've had a great time making it. We hope you've had a good time watching. Remember, you can catch the entire episode online at timesnow.tv or youtube.com. Till next week then, ciao and take care.